Okay, I promised inflation. What is inflation? Well, inflation is where your money is sitting in an account or stuffed under your mattress and not earning interest. And because it's not earning interest, because it's not increasing, it's actually decreasing. You can't just put 10 grand in a bank account or under your mattress and then come back to it next year and it still be worth 10 grand. Because in the UK and pretty much globally, inflation is running at 2.5%. What does that mean? That next year, that mug that you want to buy, so here's the mug, it cost you £10 this year. Next year, it's going to cost you £12.50. And the year after, it's going to cost you more. And if you don't make your money earn you interest, work harder, you can't afford the mug next year. You can't afford anything next year because your money has lost money. Money's lost money?